Hey, this is Washobi. I'm doing another very short unboxing today. Another Seiko from the Seiko boutique. This time around, I was lucky enough that they actually gave me this thumb drive, cheap thumb drive, free gift. But this is the watch in question. Long box. Well, I guess you should know what is it. It is the SRQ031J1 number 343. This is the box, made in China, transport box with a signed brand on the top. Nice soft textured black box, the main watch box itself. Inside this is of course the watch. In the slots at the bottom of the white box is the manual as well as the guarantee documents, and this is the watch box itself. So you can see, I flip it open, there's the watch, about 3 different tags, the brand, the sub series, and the price itself. So here's the watch, the SRQ031J1. Let's take this out. Ta-da! And I will do a full review on this. Watch for it. Okay, that's all. See you next time. Bye.